What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, just going to be doing a little overview of the installs I did last night. I did some grips, mirrors, and I wound up doing the harness for the integrated turn signal. That took a little bit of time, but that was definitely well worth it. And I gotta say that these Biltwell Lumicore grips are amazing. They make such a big difference. The OEM grips would move around and they would vibrate like crazy, and these take so much of the vibration out and the motion's so smooth. I want to put in a little, I didn't have any anti-seize, I literally put a little bit of motor oil just like in there, just a tiny little bit, because it was sticking a little bit, so I took it apart and redid it, and now it's literally beautiful. It feels so much better. I never knew how much a good grip would make, big difference, but I'm glad I did those. Also, these mirrors look awesome, and they achieved what I was trying to do. The OEM mirrors sat a little bit forward more and above the grip, and they were pretty bulky, and they didn't leave much room for you to put your hand in and out. These are kicked forward kind of in line with the levers, and they give you plenty of room, and if you want to stand up and stretch out a little bit, it doesn't hit your wrist on the mirror, so that's nice. Then this harness, wound up running it. It was the Gorilla Cables plug and play harness for the rear end on this, and it allowed you to not have to do any splicing or anything like that, so keep it nice and clean. So now it's got the integrated turn signal. I'll show you guys. So that really cleaned up the back of the bike. Now it's nice and straight, don't have those big turn signals hanging off. So that was good. I'm glad I did that. And what else did I want to show you guys? Yeah, sound clip of the exhaust. Haven't done that. Next thing is going to be getting rid of those OEM turn signals in the front. Just waiting on some adapters coming in. Another thing I wanted to mention, the motion now is so positive on this throttle side. It's not moving around, jiggling in your hand while you're riding. It's great. It took a little bit of adjustment to get it how I wanted, but I mean, it worked out great, so I'm super happy with that. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.